In this video, we are going to learn how to get the sum of each column of a data frame in R. This is a pretty common operation that you might want to do. So there's actually a built-in function that will do this directly for you, and that is called colSums. So let's load in a data set here, use the mtcars again, and all you have to do is pass the data set to this function here, colSums, and you will get the sums of each column. So there they are. Alternatively, you could use the apply function because that is just a generic function for applying anything you want to each row. So this is an alternative construction that you could do. You could pass the data in, specify you want to use the sum function, and then that you want to sum up the columns by setting the margin equal to 2. So this will do the exact same thing, but since there is this built-in colSums function, that is the quickest and easiest way to do it. All the code used in this video is available in the description below. If you found this video useful, drop a like, and if you're interested in more data science content, hit subscribe.